So today we are about to help Bradley take out his engine because if you guys don't know, last event that he did, he actually blew his engine. It's the same event where he first tried her car out. On the way home, Bradley actually blew his engine right after he left the track. So we're about to take it out right now so that way he can prep his engine bay. We're gonna put together, I think, his KAT setup that he's been had. So today the goal is to take this out.
Didn't know we were starting it.
Yeah, no, the car's basically halfway up on the air. This is what, for my birthday, I wanted a tool cart. You guys. The one from Harbor Freight with the side table. Now I'm about myself. Because only I know what I like. After he told us what he liked. I'm gonna go awful. I'm out of ready. This fuel line is Donzo, boy. It's gonna make it hard. Yeah. Because you seen this. I'm wasting so much time trying to take them off nicely. When I could just cut this guy off, bruh. Like every girl should do. No, every guy should cut off their holes, huh? All the guys need to cut off their holes. All the guys in serious relationships should do that. Yeah. Cut off their holes.
Men ain't
Dealing with no holes anymore. Men ain't dealing with no holes anymore. Wait.
You know it's too late. I'm on my own shit now. Let me tell you how it feels to be fucking
Great.
This side is almost clear. I just get one more while to take off over there. Yeah, if you're just talking about today, but all the combined.
He said, yeah, I'm talking about today only. Okay, start taking off the drive shaft.
Yeah.
Go. He's literally cutting all the wires. Bruh, just take the freaking plug out.
No, that one no more.
He said, he tell no more plug. He tell. See? I told him that. Where? Yeah. He tell no more plug. No, but that all came out on its own right there. That wire pulled out of its own stuff. Straight cut. Zoom. Straight cut.
the whole wire harness isn't gonna have plug.
Yeah, he cut off. Then we're gonna be like, what is this even for?
Well, you take off this one then, because this one the more unplugged, guarantee.
Okay, watch out then. Go take off the drive shaft.
God, I need the time.
This thing can come out already.
I know, 14.
This bumper is flat.
Do you remember?
Do you...
You remember I worked super hard on extending this and adding the diffuser. This is where dreams go to die.
It's flat. How
This is
did?
a one-off custom diffuser, extended bumper, and the bug was flat.
How did it come flat?
Just walk on.
Our walkway, that's why.
Damn. Look at Bailey's shoes.
Yeah.
Oh.
This the inside shoes. Outside.
You want to see the shirt that we got?
Wanna
You want to
see?
see the shirt that we made, Bailey?
Wait, wanna see the shirt that we made, Bailey?
What the hell?
Isn't this shirt super cool?
That's clean.
Super dope, yeah.
And you guys are giving me the wheels?
Yeah, it's super dope.
It's so nice, yeah.
That's hella cool.
And like we made it in black too.
We got a black tee too.
Wait, you guys just made it?
Yeah, we just made
Yeah.
these. Oh, we had them made, so
That's sick.
now we're gonna sell them. Christine wants to put the wheels on top of the black car.
It would only make sense. You got to. You got the Z's bust up.
It's not busting right now. It's busted.
Bust up.
Coochie.
Today we're at Bailey's house because we're gonna film some stuff for the new t-shirts that just launched. Is these Minerva ones right here. So we do have it in this cream color and this black color, but my car and Blaine's car isn't ready to be shot in videos or pictures or anything, so we brought the Minervas and we're gonna throw it on Bailey's car and then just get some really cool pictures of it.
I'm like,
Got the spiders. It's a good thing we're doing this.
yeah.
So you can at least wash it once a year.
Okay, don't even look at the wheel. That's bad. That's super bad. Oh, yeah.
That doesn't even say stay good anymore. It's like cycle good.
My nails are painted because of the party we just had. Not because I wanted to.
That's your helmet? Yeah, that's your helmet.
Yeah.
And your
And my boots. No. From the top to the bottom. This is what you guys gotta know on how to wash my car. From the top to the bottom, guys.
Not from the bottom
As
to
you
the
can
top.
see, I know what I'm doing with the car. The car's is clean.
It looks clean when it's wet only. Yeah.
Get off my car! Get off! You guys don't belong here. Get off my car! Just like new, bah. That looks cherry, right? Like, wow, I forgot about this.
He's like, I forgot I had a nice car.
Wow, it just comes right off. All my shishi coming off.
Yeah, this shit come right off.
Get off! Get off! Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Sorry, that was so dumb.
That's a lot. Ooh, bro, did you see how much he poured in that thing?
I just got it. I used one wash.
I just got it.
Yeah, that was one wash.
Jeez, you did so much.
Man, okay, for all you real car guys out there, don't fucking care. Just if I wash it weird, that doesn't mean anything, alright? Don't like.
He was talking
I don't know
about
how to wash the car, alright? But it comes clean. Alright? I don't need you guys to be.
I need you guys.
I don't need you guys to be like, oh, bro, but I got a 2020 Honda Civic and I wash it like this. Like, bro, who cares, bro? It don't matter.
He said, I'm gonna start from the top down.
No, it's
like I was saying, that's
you
only
guys
with the
even-
water.
What, you want spirals on your car, bro? Bro, calm down. Bro,
He already
calm down.
knows the comments that's coming.
I already know. I already know that I'm not doing it right, okay? Who cares, man? This car's been sitting for like a year.
Almost. 6 months.
6 months. How long has it been, like?
That's the last event, right? You said.
How long is the last event? Like March?
Yeah, February, March or so.
Almost like 4 or 5 months ago. Once again, alright? Shut up, alright? I'm trying my best.
Yeah. Like this video for Bailey trying. Where are you guys getting all these microfiber towels from?
Oh, that's Bradley. I think it's probably Bradley. I bought a thing of towels, but I don't know where they went.
He's like, but it wasn't these.
Yeah, it wasn't these.
So he's like, let me use 3 of them at one time.
I don't know. I'm so lazy. I'm so lazy.
Don't be lazy, that's crazy.
No, that's crazy.
You acting like your mind's all hazy.
Oh, your mind's all hazy.
You crazy?
When you're lazy and
Don't
you're
even
crazy
act
and
like
you're
that. Don't even act like that, Bailey.
I won't act like that, Blaney. Where's Bradley?
That was so dumb. Where's Bradley? Baby.
Where's Bradley? Can I air it up, actually?
Nah, be good.
That's good for now?
Yeah.
I mean, it's actually already. I thought I was driving it low. Oh, dude, I really thought I was driving it low.
Really?
Well, not low, like all the way low, but I didn't. Like, I thought it was lower than that at least a little bit. Oh, that car looks so funny.
Oh, super good, yeah? Sick. Now you can be just like Bradley and not touch this for a long time.
Dude, I'm not going to touch it. It's away from the spiders. It's away from the critters. Dude, it's away from all the harm. It's now protected.
Where it
Dude,
belongs, huh?
When it wasn't protected, I didn't touch it.
Yeah,
and now
because-
that it's protected, you guys won't even see this car again.
Yeah, once these doors are closed, it's never moving again.